Hey guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another video. And in this video, I want to talk about my GoPro Hero 10 Black that I've had for about 6 months now. And I don't use this camera as often as I thought I would. And that is because of the weight when using this Ulanzi GP16, which is basically a copy of the snap mount. It's pretty heavy on your neck when you're walking with it, but it does help with the stabilization. It is more stable than any other action camera I have, including the Osmo Action 2 or my Insta360 Go 2. My most stable footage comes from, in my opinion, my GoPro Hero 10 Black. Another reason why I don't use this as often is because of the size. When you're walking around with this thing on your chest, people really look, they really notice. It's not like my Insta360 Go 2, which is a very small camera, or even my Osmo Action 2, which is just a cube on a small necklace. You know, people don't really stare at you as much as when you're walking around with this GoPro. So that was one of the other reasons why I don't use it as much. But other than those two things, this is still a great action camera. You don't have to worry about going in and messing with settings and different things. Just hit record and go. Now, I'm still sticking to what I said in a previous video about the look being the same, because it is. The only real reason I ended up getting this, to be quite honest with you, is because I got tired of all the freezing and the glitchiness with my GoPro Hero 8 Black. For those of you who have that camera or any cameras prior to this one, even the 9, you guys know that thing will freeze up on you. You think you're recording something, everything looks like it's working, and you've recorded nothing. So, or you'll get ready to set up and you touch the back or you try to turn it on, nothing happens. It's just froze. You got to take the battery out and start all over again. So with this camera, I can honestly say I have not had that issue. Everything has worked great. You know, I've kept my products, or try to keep whatever I have in great condition. As you can see, there's no scratches anywhere, just a little bit of smudging from fingerprints from touching it, which I will clean off probably as soon as I'm done with this video. But yeah, it works great, and all the components that come with it still work great. I keep this snap mount piece, well, the Ulanzi GP16 piece, on my 3-way tripod here. I am going on a trip and I am going to take this with me and just blog with it. I'm gonna try to blog with it and have some of my friends blog with it, just to talk about what they see. It's gonna be in Spanish, and if you go to the closed capture, it will translate what they're saying from Spanish for those of you that don't understand Spanish to English, okay? So you can still watch the video with no problem. But yeah, as far as the camera go, it's still great. It's still a GoPro. And the last thing I want to talk about as far as the review of the last 6 months go with this camera are the GoPro batteries. Now, this is the battery that comes with it. This is your standard GoPro battery right here. This is still a pretty decent battery, and I think you can get these for around 20 bucks. But this is far better, and they're 5 bucks more. They're 25 bucks a piece. If you can get these, trust me, you'll be much better off buying these batteries. I forgot the name of them. I put the screen up somewhere, but these are much better. Now, I'm not someone who blogs and keep my GoPro on for, 20 plus minutes. The most I'll do is maybe 5 minutes, because I'll do quick clips. I like doing quick clips with all my action cameras. I don't like the long, drawn out talking like I'm doing now on my ZV-1, because you got to go through and chop all that footage up, download it, and whatever. With action cameras, to me, let me get this scene, maybe a minute, maybe 2 minutes. Let me move to the next scene, maybe a minute, 2 minutes. So with this battery, I can probably get half a day, then I would need to charge it again. But with this battery, I can get the entire day with this one battery. Now, I did buy an extra one just in case I decide I'm gonna blog with it for a period of time and maybe eat up a lot of the battery, but I can go and get an hour worth of footage the way I normally do it in quick clips, 2-minute, 3-minute videos, maybe 30 of those at one time, which will be over an hour, and I'll still have almost 50% of this battery still remaining. That's how good this battery is. And they're the same size, the same milliamp, but they did something to where this one is far better than this one. So I don't know what they did, but it is well worth it. But all right, guys, that's it, man. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. My 6-month review of the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Any questions you guys have, please leave them below. Other than that, guys, I am out. Peace.